How to cancel friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check if you have the latest version of Facebook application. So let's search for Facebook, and here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So just tap on open and it will open up the Facebook application. Now if you want to cancel the friend request that you have sent on Facebook, simply tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. You select the person or the name of the person that you have sent the friend request to and that you would want to cancel it. So tap on it, and as you do that, here you'll be able to see the option of cancel request. So just tap on cancel request and there will be cancellation of the friend request that you have sent on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.